3 or 4 inches of rain in Highland Scotland, it could hardly not improve. No surprise, it's prompted 7 flood warnings in Scotland. Most are in the Highlands. The one severe of these is actually around Tayside. 70 to 100 millimetres, 3 to 4 inches. There's a little bit more to come on Friday, so if you are worried, the floodline number which covers Scotland is 0845 988 1188. As I said, that was 24 hours worth of rain. Most of it's gone now, or turned into showers. It fell for a time in the Pennines, Snowdonia, and it's now in South Wales. But there's not much more rain around. Good thing. Mind you, there was so much because the air has been very moist, very warm. It's come from the central Atlantic. We've seen 12 or 13 Celsius out of it this afternoon. That's comparable with some parts in France, southern France for example, but if you headed further south still, you'd find the real warmth. 31 degrees is about 88 Fahrenheit. You wouldn't expect that at this time of the year, even in Italy. But there it is. That's what happened yesterday. So hot, in fact, that it's prompted thunderstorms up the west coast of Italy. And it's not alone. Italy, I think the Balkans, Greece, Turkey and Cyprus will all enjoy the sunshine for the next day or so. And it's much better in Spain and Portugal now as well. For us, though, for the next 5 days. That's where we've been drawing our air from. Now, it's from the central Atlantic, which is actually quite warm, up to 17 or even 19 degrees, as you can see. But we're going to cut off that flow in the next few days. We're still going to see spells of windy weather and also rather wet weather from time to time, but if you follow the lines up, as you can see here, the source of the air is actually much, much cooler to the west of Greenland. So a windy and occasionally wet affair for the next few days, but as you can see, not quite as mild. This afternoon then, breezy, gusting to the lee of the Pennines, the rain slowly dying out. Not a bad day for some who see the sunshine, but it's tonight where we avoid the frost, and tomorrow we get the best of the weather with the sun shining quite nicely. As for tomorrow afternoon, the cloud will start to fill in again with the rain coming up through Ireland, and tomorrow we might just see 12 or 13 mildest in the sunshine, as you can see. For Friday, another spell of rain coming up. I don't think it'll be quite as wet as was the case before, so for the Western Highlands of Scotland, we'll watch it, but it should go through fairly quickly. The weekend doesn't look bad at all. Some big showers maybe in Northern Ireland and Western Scotland on Saturday. Sunday looks frightening, but I think we should be prepared for a rather cooler but sunnier weekend.